Hi, this is LT Survival. Well, with this decor, you know what's coming. Another knife review. Yes, I filmed a lot of them, small knife together, so that way I have a bank of video to fill in between, or if I can work on them and then put them in queue. So again, Ace and Renmu, stay tuned, we'll be right back. Well, this offering from San Renmu, as you saw in the opening, is quite different. The blade shape, mainly. Well, it's a little recall of another knife that we saw. The this one with the carabiner in the back. Same type of blade, and what I mean is the hollow grind. Okay, if you see here, hollow grind on the flat oil, on the flat here, and the recurve here. I'll show you closer. So this one has a recurve in it. Not many people like recurves, but I do, because they're pleasing to the eye. Okay, as you see here, there's a small recurve all the way underneath, and a dramatic American Tanto, which is flat ground. It is, but you can see the hollow grind here and the flat. Quite dramatic, because we're not used to have a plunging Tanto forward. So it's modified Tanto, modified or American Tanto, and this blade shape has a thumb rest, which is quite aggressive. A nice swedge on top here with a drop point to the pointy end of the Tanto. The handle also is quite different. It's kind of curved in the back, and it grips really well. This is a small knife, but it's a 4-finger, almost 3.5 finger knife, but the grip is the same as any big knife because of the choil here and the guard. This part here, which fits almost 2 fingers, and then you have the flat here that house the rest of the finger in the half here. So it's a 3.5 finger basically, but feels like a big 4 finger. It's a very light G10 material for both, with hidden liners. I'm not sure if I can show the liners. Let's see if I can have it to focus on the liner. Yes, you can see the light shine on the liners. So you see the liner lock. So there's a hidden liner inside of the scale of the the scale. So it is a clean look. It has hourglass shape. I'll get up and show you a better view of these, because we're gonna focus on that. Yes, you see the liner inside. You see the hourglass, the stop pin, the hourglass spacer. Okay, there's not many of those, the 2 here, and that's it. The rest is the pivot and the pin for the stop pin. Again, nice thumb stud, which are grippy, so it's easy to push. You've got some jimping on top of the blade, a blade shape that we've seen before, a little more arced than the other one. Usually we see that with a very straight from Ganzo and San Renmu, and then here we really see the recurve on what would be the flat, and then the Tanto. Okay, so you see all the here you get the San Renmu logo, and to the left here underneath, 730T, because there's two variants of this knife. There's the black, which is the LB4, and there's the tan, which is the LA4. Okay, two different knife. Pocket clip is one rare that we have deep carry. This one is tip down, so it's a little different than tip up, but it is a nice deep carry black pocket clip. Sorry about that. Okay, I couldn't see myself very well. Opens like a charm, holds like a big knife. Small knife, light, easy to carry. Recurve, even though it's difficult to sharpen if you don't have a rod or an adapter to use your sharpening system with a recurve, it is powerful cutting. If you're cutting boxes and paper and ropes and cordage, a recurve goes really well. It's a nice knife. I liked a lot what I saw, the shape of this knife, and it is not expensive at all. I paid $9.85 for that knife, $11.99 right now, and the LA4 in brown is about $11.99 also, so maybe a little more. Sometimes the price by color do change. Okay, so I don't think in the time I first look at that knife the brown, coyote brown handle was available, but it's a nice change that they are. Folds well, covers the tip, so basically the tips comes in and match with the scale, and you've got plenty of space to get on either side. Oh, my left hand, not very good, but you can open the blades easy on both sides, easier even on this side, on the right hand side. It's one position clip. It's a deep carry. They could have made it to be carried on the other side. They could have made it probably carry any side, but they decided to go with the one side. Some of these brands like San Ranmu, they're economical knives, so they don't put the extra engineering into having a full position. It happens when you have people ask for it, but not all the time. So this is a real good knife. Nothing fancy about it, nothing more. It's a pocket carry, not your heavy duty carry, but a light duty carry. Does the job. I'm gonna carry this knife for sure, at least a couple of times. One of those I'm gonna put in the rotation right now. I got my Ontario Rat 1, like it a lot, even though it's only Oz 8. Eventually I'm gonna get the D2 if they come available, so but that's another story. So if you like this video, please give it the thumbs up, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.